Hey folks, Würfel here. Today it's a little bit different than the regular stuff that I show you. So we're actually standing here in our kitchen, or at least the room that should someday end up as our kitchen. And you can see there's a lot of stuff going on here. And that's the reason why there's no regular video this month. All the walls are stripped. So right here we will enter my new play area. So this will be one of my workshops. So right in the back here I will have a complete wall that's only resin stuff and a little bit of 3D printing, but in general it's resin stuff over there. I will have a green screen at this wall, and where this stuff is laying here, there will be my desktop. The desktop will be movable, so I can move it around to have some more space or less space, whatever I need. The wall right behind me here, so right from the corner there over to that end, this will all be display and storage areas. So there will be a lot of shelves for all the games and stuff that I have, and I will showcase some of my stuff. And yeah, the big spot right here that is still free, I plan to build myself a very large gaming table that I can also use for making videos. Having my desktop sitting right there, having the video equipment here, and having the table here is a nice setup where I can easily take some footage and stuff, and I can directly move on to the resin workshop. So I hope to give a little bit more of a structure in my workshop. And as mentioned before, this is resin only and a little bit of 3D printing, and all the woodworking and leatherworking and stuff. Behind this wall there's another workshop on the other side of the building that will be my dirty workshop for stuff that creates a lot of dirt and is loud. And yeah, I just thought I'd give you a little bit of a glimpse what is coming. You see, we also opened the wall here, so new electrics will be made up in this room as well. So yeah, thanks for staying here until the end of the video. That's already it. I just hope you'll stay with me on this little exhaustive journey, and I hope to see you on the next one. Until that, happy dice making and bye!